Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn the structure display modes that are available in Chem 3D. Okay, first of all open Chem 3D. Here you can draw any molecule directly using this Chem 3D, or you can also draw a molecule in ChemDraw and open it in Chem 3D, or if you know the name you can just type it here. You can just type it here using the text tool available. It is also possible to get the structure if it is actually available in ChemDraw library. So you can get the structure. Now just you can view the molecule in three-dimensional way. So it's almost like a planar geometry. Okay, click on this view tab. There you will find model display. In model display you can find display mode. So there are few modes available here. So you can view it in wireframe mode, sticks, ball and stick, cylindrical bonds and space filling bond. So you can view the drawn molecule in these modes. So first we will see the wireframe mode. So this is how your molecule will look like in wireframe mode. So you can also view it in sticks mode. So in stick mode, now the atom and the bond, it looks like a stick. So this is how it looks like in stick mode. You can also view your molecule in ball and stick model. So in ball and stick model, the atoms are considered as balls and bonds are considered by a stick. So in ball and stick model, so this is how your molecule, your drawn molecule will look like. So you can also view your molecule in cylindrical bonds model. So in cylindrical model, your molecule will be looking like this. You can also view your molecule in space filling mode. So if you select space filling mode, so your molecule will be looking like this. The three-dimensional structure of your compound will look like this, but in space filling mode. So if you have the structure of peptides, polypeptides, or proteins, so these two modes will be active. The other two modes like ribbon and cartoon modes will be active. So you can also view your molecule in ribbon model and cartoon model. Okay, this is about model display. We will meet again in another video. Thank you all for watching. Happy learning.